Today we're talking about two OTC penny stocks. The first, a 6-cent penny stock that has had steady revenues over the past 5 years and a big bump in profit margin for 2021. This one has the potential to 50x with continued improved financials and news. The second stock is a 34-cent penny stock that had a 4,182% increase in sales during 2020 due to its proprietary cannabis processing technology to be released soon. This is huge. These both are great stocks to add to your watch list. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you my opinion if these stocks could be big runners through 2022. But remember that OTC stocks can be very risky, so I only invest money in OTCs that I can afford to lose. High risk equals high potential reward. And remember, this is not financial advice and for entertainment only. Hi, investing friends. This is Lynn, and welcome back. So let's go and review today's hot stock. But first, if you could give this video a thumbs up in return for my efforts analyzing the stock, it would be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, subscribe for more videos like this one. The first stock we're looking at today is Ameritire Corp, ticker symbol AMTY. The company engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of polyurethane tires. It operates through the following segments: closed-cell polyurethane foam tires and polyurethane elastomer industrial tires. Also, we know that penny stocks are risky, but it's better odds that this company will be here for years to come, as they were founded in January 1995 and are headquartered in Boulder City, Nevada. Let's take a look at Amity's security details. Ameritire has an excellent small cap of 4.6 million, making it poised for growth. They have only 73 million outstanding shares and 100 million authorized shares, so for now there's no concern about over dilution. What really is great is that Ameritire has a float of only 35 million shares. This small share float means that an increase in trading could easily push the stock higher. In looking at their one-year chart, you can see a nice bump in price in June of 2020 and an even larger bump up in mid-February of this year until the stock reached a high of 12 cents. Now is a good time to watch the stock, as it had a long pullback from March to early September 2021 and is now trending back up. This Market Watch screenshot shows that Ameritire's stock performance is up 97% year to date and 38% over the past month. So clearly the stock's price performance has a lot to do to catch up with the improvements in their financials. Here you can see from their annual financial statement that the net income growth of 507% for 2021. This screenshot shows a nice increase in their sales for 2020 and 2021, with a 23% improvement this year. Before we move on to the next stock, let's look more at what Ameritire does, what makes them unique. Ameritire's closed-cell polyurethane foam tire segment manufactures closed-cell polyurethane foam tires for bicycles, golf carts, lawn and garden equipment, to medical mobility products. The polyurethane elastomer industrial tire segment develops solid polyurethane industrial tires made of elastomethane. Ameritires also develop closed-cell polyurethane foam formulations that produce improved flat-free tires. The Ameritire closed-cell tire consists of millions of microscopic bubbles which do not absorb water versus other tires on the market. The closed-cell formulation gives the Ameritire products better weight handling capabilities, better rolling performance, and a more durable tire when compared to competitors' offerings. Ameritire is also an environmentally friendly choice. Rubber tires are one of the largest and most problematic waste disposal issues our society faces today. Piles of pneumatic tires, discarded as waste when they're worn out or damaged, can burn for months, emitting toxic smoke that is harmful to the environment. Rubber tires may also leach components into the groundwater. Ameritire formulations also do not contain known carcinogens often found in rubber tire formulations. Ameritire products are made of polyurethane foam or polyurethane elastomer, which contain no carcinogens and are resistant to UV light and water damage. Ameritire claims that their tires last longer than rubber tires, resulting in fewer tire replacements and fewer waste tires being sent to the landfill. Unlike rubber tires, their polyurethane tires can be disposed of in municipal landfills with no adverse environmental impact. I think it's a big plus that all Ameritire tires are manufactured in the USA versus imported like many of their competitors. The company's patented manufacturing process and high-quality materials also claim to provide a consistent final product. Next, let's take a look at the second stock, Cryomass Technologies, ticker symbol CRYM. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know you'd like to see more videos like this one. Also, see the link in the description below to sign up for our newsletter so that you can be notified before these videos come out. Cryomass had a fantastic 4,182% increase in sales for 2020, and their stock price increase has not yet caught up with this type of growth. Cryomass is making a name for themselves through their refinement system that uses a patented technology to freeze the whole cannabis plant while fully separating the trichomes, including THC, CBD, and terpenes. The patented process renders up to a 90% dried output material with a dramatic reduction in biomass volume of up to 80%. The resulting high-purity refined cryogenic sift can be warehoused for extended periods of time or further processed into cannabis and hemp distillate or isolate for use in consumer products. Cryomass Technologies, Inc. is preparing to manufacture and operate field mobile equipment for the handling of harvested cannabis, hemp, and other high-value plant material. The company owns patented technology that utilizes liquid nitrogen to fully separate, collect, and protect the high-value materials and essential compounds from the harvested plant. Cryomass believes that the rapid capture technology should enable cannabis and hemp producers to dramatically reduce costs, increase end product yields, and enhance product purity. The company believes that these efficiencies will trigger industry-wide changes in the handling and processing of harvested cannabis and hemp. Cryomass is also exploring the application of the underlying technology to a broad range of industries that handle high-value materials that could benefit from precision capture methods. Cryomass was formally named Andina Gold Corporation per this July 26 press release from Yahoo Finance. The article announced that the company will begin field testing its cryogenic precision capture systems in the fourth quarter of 2021. Then commercialization will start in early 2022. The company's chief executive officer, Christian Noel, explained the new names were chosen to signalize the company's focus on exploiting the patents and processes that they acquired from CryoCan USA. Let's next look at the security details for this stock. CRYM has a market cap of only $50 million, which also gives it lots of room to grow and grow the share value. The outstanding shares are a reasonable 120 million with a float of 61.9 million. This also means that great results with their upcoming product launch could move this stock quickly. It's also reassuring to know that the authorized shares are only 500 million, which prevents stockholders from the foreseeable future from significant share dilution. MarketWatch indicates the CRYM share price has grown 118% year to date and 89% over the past month. So to date, nothing crazy, leaving room for a potential big bump to come with results from the product release. CRYM's one-year stock chart shows a big run-up in price in the latter part of June 2021, followed by a 2-month slide back down in price. Currently, the stock has been shooting up since early August, with a significant bump up in price on October 4th and 5th. Clearly, Cryomass has a big catalyst with its product release coming up in early 2022 that you will want to watch, and that could even potentially send this stock up over the $1 price point. Also, with interest in Ameritire's innovative and environmentally friendly tire technology expanding along with the company's improved financials, the future could be very promising for the AMTY's 6-cent stock. But before you decide to invest in either ticker, please remember to do your own due diligence. I always love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about AMTY and CRYM. Go here to view our penny stock under $1 playlist to discover more stock gems.